I have worked for more than 5 years under one of my manager who was very well experienced. He was a good leader as well. He was communicating very well. His experience was very well. I have learned many things from him. However, there was one habit he was having, which is of smoking. Yes, he used to smoke at least 3-4 times in a day. That means if we count for one smoking, he used to spend at least 5 minutes. That means he used to spend at least 15-20 minutes of time in a day for smoking only. Then you can count weekly and monthly how much time he used to spend. And this is very general case in professional life. Many professionals smokes and they don't believe that they are wasting such amount of time on such non-healthy things or hazardous things, we can say. This is a completely waste of time from my perspective, that we do have, everyone is having precious times, but these peoples who smokes, many of my friends are also smoking. They will give the justification that how smoking is good for them, they will give justification like they have too much of work pressure, they will just give some other advantages of smoking. However, for me, it is just a waste. First of all, it is not healthy for our health, not good. However, these people will not understand. Now, coming to my manager, what he used to do, every year whenever the new year starts, he used to do a resolution that in the month of January he will do a resolution that from January 1st he will quit smoking. Yes, and he used to quit smoking. I have seen him, he will quit smoking for January, then February, March, till the time he will resist, he will continue. I know one of the best month, or we can say till July month, he has stopped smoking. After that, he will again start smoking till December. That was his best, I think, till the July month. However, and he used to give the reasons that there is too much work pressure and I cannot resist it now. The temptation of smoking was, that's what he used to get. And this is nothing but one of the resolution which is made at the start of year. There are many people who do this resolution, such kind of resolution, not only smoking, but some other resolutions like weight loss, going to the gym every day. That is very common, that going to gym, people will buy a subscription for an entire year of gym, but they will go for January month. In the month of February they will go for some days, and after that they will stop, because that desire is not strong, the willpower is not strong. That's what the main issue. Whenever we do any resolution or whatever aim we wanted to achieve in our life, if we don't have the desire, if we are not focused or deterministic, then we cannot achieve anything. Understand that growing our willpower is important. If you wanted to do something good, if you wanted to stop smoking, then our willpower should be strong. And how to grow willpower? We can grow our willpower through some positive thinking, positive beliefs in ourselves. And our desire, our intention should be very good. This will be going to help in achieving our goals in our life. Because achieving something in life is more important than having these bad habits. There are many people who are having other bad habits as well, like drinking, but that is not all good. We have life which is precious life, and in this life we should achieve something good for ourselves and for our family or from other friends, relatives. To grow our willpower, get into some positive minded people, connect with them, have a circle or surround with the positive peoples, avoid the toxic peoples, And these peoples who are positive minded, who are more who have achieved something more than you, then connect with them, learn from them, make some new friends, connect with them. This will help us to have the positive environment around us, and this positive environment will help us to grow. Whatever state or whatever stage of life you are having right now, everyone should try to achieve to the next level, because this is something which is, if you are not learning anything, then it is not going to help. You will be at the same state, and in the later you will regret that I should have done more. This should not happen. Everyone should do some kind of learning, some kind of development, self growth, self development. That's what is needed. And all this, we need a willpower, strong willpower. Whatever we decide, go with that. Whatever we decide, go with that, no matter what are the situation, what are the troubles you are getting. There are situations where something will not work as expected. You will get obstacles, but you can overcome on that as well, because anything can possible. And I believe that everyone has immense potential. Suppose anyone wants to achieve something in their life, they can achieve, because that is what is needed in our life. If you have any questions or comments about this video, then please do let me know in comment section. I am happy to answer it. I wanted to know your feedback about my videos as well, because I am here to inspire you, here to share something what I have learned, because I believe that sharing knowledge with others is precious. Everyone should share knowledge, because sharing knowledge will grow us in terms of professional and personal level as well. And I'm happy to share my knowledge. If you have any questions, do put in comment section, and if you like my video, then please like it. And I am here. The next video will again come to inspire you. Thank you for watching.